This video will explain how to cancel unwanted autopay. First, we will see what is an autopay. Autopay is a feature where you give permission to automatically pay a company from your bank account on a fixed date. This permission is called mandate. When it is active, money will be deducted automatically. So if you stop using service, you must cancel the autopay. Now we will see why you should cancel unwanted autopay. You should cancel it to stop automatic money deduction, avoid paying for unused subscriptions, prevent fraud or unknown payments, keep full control of your bank account. You can cancel autopay inside your UPI app. For example, Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, BHIM, and some bank apps. Now we will see how to cancel unwanted autopay. Step 1. Open your UPI app. Open the UPI app you use for payments. Make sure you logged in. Step 2. Go to your profile or settings. Tap on your profile picture or the menu option. This will open the settings section. Step 3. Find the autopay or mandate section. Look for UPI autopay, mandates, subscriptions or autopay. Tap on it. Step 4. Open the active mandates list. You will now see all your active autopay mandates. This list shows company name, amount, next payment date, and status. Step 5. Select the unwanted autopay. Tap on the mandate you want to stop. Check the details to make sure it is the correct one. Step 6. Tap cancel or revoke. You will see an option like cancel mandate, revoke autopay, or disable autopay. Tap on it. Step 7. Confirm with your UPI PIN. For security, you must enter your UPI PIN. This is required because only you are allowed to stop the automatic payment. Step 8. Mandate is cancelled. After confirmation, the status will change to cancelled or revoked. Now no more automatic deductions will happen. Now we will see important things to remember. First one, cancellation does not return past payments. Cancelling autopay stops future payments only. It does not refund old payments. Second one, cancel before the debit date. If the next payment date is very near, cancel at least one day earlier. Otherwise, the payment may still happen. Third one, always check the status. After cancelling, make sure the mandate shows cancelled or inactive. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.